This is DOFBOT Ultra, a deeply integrated AI large language model technology embodied intelligent ROS robotic arm. It is developed based on a Raspberry Pi 5 or RDK X5 board. Equipped with 3D depth camera, intelligent bus servo, AI large language model voice module, speaker, touchscreen and other high-performance hardware. By deeply integrating large language models, voice large language model, and visual multimodal large language models, DOFBOT Ultra is able to accurately perceive the environment and engage in scene-based intelligent interaction with users.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Describe the signs you saw.
I see a green garbage truck, a white building, and small tree model on the table. There are 2 blue and red trash cans on the right side.
Visual analysis capability based on multimodal large models, DOFBOT Ultra can autonomously identify and track target objects in complex environments.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Track the apple in front of you.
I found a red apple on the transparent shelf. I'm tracking it.
DOFBOT Ultra can even infer user intentions, autonomously plan tasks and dynamically respond.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
I'm a little hungry now.
I see a banana now. I'll help you retrieve it.
With its powerful ability to break down long text logic, DOFBOT Ultra can easily handle complex tasks with long processes.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Grab the socket board from the desktop and place it to your right. Then clap your hands. Finally, grab the red square and place it on your left.
Okay, I'll start the task now. The soccer clip was successful. I'm clapping my hands. The red block has been placed and the task is completed.
By combining 3D depth camera with point cloud data, DOFBOT Ultra can easily achieve high-level anomaly sorting.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Remove machine codes with a height exceeding 5 centimeters.
Okay, I'll remove machine code objects with a height exceeding 5 centimeters. Objects with a height exceeding 5 centimeters have been successfully removed.
Not only that, DOFBOT Ultra can also call the YOLO model, combining AI multimodal large models for intelligent garbage sorting.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Sort the recyclable and hazardous waste on the desktop while keeping the rest of the waste unchanged.
Okay, I'll start garbage classification task. The separation of hazardous waste and recyclable waste is completed. Remaining waste remains unchanged.
DOFBOT Ultra can also achieve various functions such as arithmetic master, word completion, cooking master, etc.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Let's take a look at what this word on the desktop might mean.
Already pointing to the letter. Respelling can be completed as friend question.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
What is the answer to this question on the table?
What is the most abundant gas on Earth? Answer D, nitrogen.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
What kind of delicious food can be made from the ingredients on the table?
Bitter melon and eggs can be made into better melons, stir-fried eggs.
DOFBOT Ultra is equipped with a 3D structured light depth camera, having a deeper perception ability. By combining 3D point cloud data, real-time distance, shape, and volume information of the target object can be obtained. With better visual perception capabilities, DOFBOT Ultra can smoothly perform automated tasks such as face tracking, 3D spatial grasping and sorting, and color block shape sorting. Combined with the MediaPipe machine learning framework, DOFBOT Ultra can accurately capture gesture movements, body skeletons, and fingertip trajectories, unlocking creative and versatile motion sensing interactive functions. DOFBOT Ultra also provides cross-platform interconnected remote control, support web remote control, and handle control. In addition, Yahboom have prepared URDF models and simulation project cases for users, along with comprehensive teaching courses to meet diverse teaching and research needs. This is DOFBOT Ultra, exploring the infinite possibilities of embodied intelligence.